Back here with a look at Singularity Net. All right, and it looks like we are possibly in a bounce area here. I'm going to show you some stuff here. Looks like a bottom is coming in, and we're going to tear down this chart a little bit. All right, looks like a lot of things are getting ready to bounce here. Singularity Net over here, we have a $309.8 million market cap. Volume is up 13.5% at 31.8 million. All right, that's ranked number 143 at 24 cents, 24.73, down 4.9%. All right, if we go over to CoinGlass here, liquidations, 297.2 million. That's up another 20% from yesterday. Yesterday was a 5x. This was up 500% yesterday, liquidations. We got our open interest, it's starting to come up a little bit. 35 billion was just 34 something. So you can see probably some longs coming in here because it looks like Bitcoin possibly hit a bottom. 24-hour volume, 135.5 billion. That's up 2% from yesterday. All right, the crypto bubbles. Here's your look for the day. This is the top 100. And for the last hour, look at this. Got some bounces coming in. All right, so that's what we want to see here. Looks like possibly, Bitcoin. Let me show you Bitcoin real quick. Then we'll get right back here because this is pretty important, obviously. Bitcoin is getting a bounce. It hit the 702 Fibonacci right here. All right, you can see that perfect hit, 38,600 bucks, and it's starting to bounce there. All right, if we go on a 4-hour and zoom in a little bit, look at that. Right off the 702 at 38, call it 38,500. Then what we're looking for here is to regain that 40,300. All right, that's a big area for this thing to regain. Okay, so we could be getting our bounce here. We're about due for one. All right, we got to get some kind of retracement out of this thing before the big, before the big fall comes in here. I'm looking for 32,000 when that happens. Can we make it up here to 45,000 bucks? That's up around the 618 here. So that's what we're hoping for out of Bitcoin, and then get this final flush over with and get this bull run started. All right, I got some money on the side here, waiting for that pull down on Bitcoin. Now, if we go on a daily here on Singularity Net, I want to show you something here. All right. We take this move right here, this push up and the retracement. All right, we're going to take a look. And if you don't know how to do this stuff, guys, a level 3 membership, $14.99, gives you 9 hours worth of videos to learn how to do this stuff, okay? There's 20 videos over there. We have 68 members in there. Get you access to our Discord. It's well worth it. Trust me, we have a bull run coming. You're gonna want to know what you're doing. You got to get a leg up on your competition. If you don't, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be rough, guys. So please learn from somebody. Like I said, I have 9 hours worth of videos over there for 15 bucks. That's a steal. All right, it took me years and hundreds of dollars to learn all this stuff. I paid $400 for my course. So, all right, here we go. We got a pullback right here to the 618. Okay, perfect 618 retracement. Could it come down here to the 702? Absolutely, it could at 22 cents. All right, that's another very possible bottom here. So keep an eye. If this right here, what is that, about 23.77? If we lose that, it's going to come down here to 22 cents. That would be the 702. I'm looking for a bounce from here, though, because the RSIs are saying that. All right, we got the daily still pulling down a little bit. Okay, that is pulling down. That could pull it down here to the 702. But we got the 12-hour reset, 3.4 and a 5. It's right at the bottom, ready to flip bullish. We have a green 12-hour candle started in there. The 8-hour right at a 0 and a 2. It's ready to turn up. We have a green 8-hour candle. And the 4-hour is bullish at 11 and a 6. All right, so I'm watching for this area to hold. I think the 618 right here. Let's fatten that up a little bit. I think that is going to hold right there. I think that's where we're going to get our bounce. All right, that first area to retake is up here at 27, call it 27.70. All right, then you got 29 cents, and then you got 30 cents up here to retake. All right, so we're going to keep an eye on these areas. Like I said, definitely keep your eye on 23, call it, this should be down a hair. Right about there. 23.87. All right. If we would lose that, watch for 22 cents as a worst case scenario. But a bottom is coming in for Singularity Net. No question about it. We are just about there, ready to turn back up here. All right. So keep your eye on this thing. All right. Please hit the like and subscribe, guys, and I'll be back with you very soon.